My name's Sean Brumbaugh with Brumbaugh's Manufactured Homes. I've worked in the manufactured housing industry just over 40 years now. I always liked building. I did commercial building for a few years, and again, the people, the manufactured home industry, your customers are just good people, and so that's what's attracted to me to this industry. We've constantly been invited to every river that somebody set a mobile home on, or to come back and fish. And I mean, it's just, you meet a lot of people from all over the state, and that's the neatest part. There's all types of opportunities in the industry itself. I mean, from any type of construction, service, sales, building them in the factories, hauling them, pilot cars, you name it. I mean, it's a pretty open field. So a lot of these kids, they're just out of high school, or had been through hard times maybe and struggled from job to job. And several of them, I mean, probably 75% of them have bought in their own homes. As we grow as a company, they grow. They constantly, the more they're willing to give, the more they make, so they become more of a partner of the company in the respect, once they understand that, then they're willing to work harder for me. And in return, I treat them really well. And that's grown just a successful business.
So one of the things that sticks out to me in this industry is the number of opportunities that exist for people to join us. This is not only an industry that is building homes for people to live in, but this is an industry that offers a home for people to work in. You can become part of a team, whether you are interested in transportation. Maybe you love sales positions and retail would be a great option for you. Perhaps you're a numbers person and you want to go into finance. There are jobs for everybody. You just straight up love working with your hands and you don't mind getting dirty. We have factories that are building homes, and these factories employ 200-300 people in each of them. So there's a place for everybody in this industry, and I think that that's one of the most exciting things. Straight out of high school, that's awesome. You can get trained on the job in most of these companies. And so this is a really great opportunity for you to look into and see if maybe you could make a home with us as well.